Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the eFootball game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your stadium where the match is being played. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up eFootball on your device and you can proceed with logging in or play an exhibition match as well. Whichever mode you play, first you will need to choose your teams. After you have chosen your team and the team you want to play against, you will be taken into the pre-match menu. Here you can go into the match settings and also the stadium settings. Just press the button for the stadium setting, and now you will be able to choose your stadium. As you scroll through the stadiums, it will switch in real time. Once you have chosen your stadium, just press the confirm button, and you also have the option to choose the time of day, as well as the weather, season, and even the length of grass and field conditions. After this, you may proceed forward and begin your match right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your match stadium or venue on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.